Assalomu alaykum. Men O'zbekiston Namangan viloyatidan tashrif buyurdim Hindiston davlatiga. Menda boshimda va ko'zimda muammo bor edi. Biz Dildora opa orqali Muhammad degan tarjimonni topdik va Muhammad bizga Metro Hospitalni taklif qilishdi va biz bu yerga ko'rindik. Bu yerda bizni doktor Rahul ko'rdilar va operatsiya qilishni tavsiya qilib, operatsiya qildilar. Doktor Rahulga va ularga yordam bergan Metro Hospitaldagi hammaga rahmat aytamiz. Bizni shuncha yildan, biz 15 yildan beri shu dardimiz bilan kurashib yurib bormagan joyimiz qolmadi. Nihoyat biz shifosini topdik. Bizni doktor Rahul operatsiya qildilar. Operatsiya juda ham muvaffaqiyatli o'tdi. Biz bu kunlarni anchadan beri kutgan edik. Biz kutganlar kunlar, daqiqalar keldi. Shu Metro klinikasidagi hamma bizga yordam bergan doktorlar, tarjimonlar, medsistralar hammalariga kattadan katta rahmat aytamiz. Biz buncha yillik orzuimizda ushalishda yordam berishdi. Hammalarga rahmat aytamiz. Mendagi o'zgarishdan juda ham xursandmiz. Biz ancha yildan beri kutgan kunlarimiz bizga keldi. Biz hammaga rahmat aytamiz. Bizga yordam bergan o'sha Muhammad tarjimon, esin doktor Rahul, shu yerdagi bizga yordam bergan hamma Metro Hospital'dagi doktorlarga, hammalarga kattadan katta rahmat aytamiz.
Hello friends, myself Dr. Rahul Kumar, Senior Consultant, Unit Head, Department of Neurosurgery, Metro Hospital, Faridabad. Today we are going to discuss about a patient named Khoslikov who came from Uzbekistan to our hospital. She is one of the rarest case of a right sphenoid wing dysplasia in which the bone inside the brain is not developed and the brain is coming out in the orbit area, which causes the proptosis of the eye. After examining her, we have assured her that we will do her surgery because she has been denied surgery and treatment by many centers in his home country and even India. No one has given her that much assurance. So we have taken up this case as a challenge and we have explained her pros and cons of the surgery, and after explaining all that, we have taken her for the surgery. We have made a customized implant for her dysplasia bone and orbit, and after doing the surgery, now her symptoms, her proptosis eyes have been improved significantly and she is flying back to her home country. Wish her all the best for her future life. Thank you.